In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. If you want to take control over Permission Manager, to know exactly which apps require access to things like location, photos and more, here's how to do it using only devices settings. No additional apps or hidden tricks. Just go into settings and scroll to click on Privacy section available here. Then tap on App Permissions and firstly pick any feature you wanna manage, like camera. Then select one of your apps under one of those sections. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. For example, let's go with from not allowed one. After tapping on it, you will see available options for chosen feature and chosen app. In my case, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. Let's apply allow only while using, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my camera while I'm using this browser. But most people don't know that you can actually pick any feature just to look for an app you wanna manage. Let's go into microphone to access Firefox. Now, whatever app or feature you picked, you need to scroll all the way down and select See All Permissions in a small text at the very bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!